Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I usually post videos every Wednesday and Saturday, but for now, I'm just going to be posting on Wednesdays until I'm 100% feeling better. But today, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Started with a 20-ounce stainless tumbler from the Stainless Depot. I, of course, thought I was recording when I glittered it, and it did not. So I mixed up 143 and Make It Pink and just a little bit of Nookie all together for the base glitter. Most of this will be getting covered up, but I did add 2 coats of epoxy after and sanded down the rim. Now, I got these nails from Temu, whatever. And I loved that little heart design that said love, so I'm going to kind of recreate it, but with my own little twist. So I went ahead and cut out some hearts. I got these from Creative Fabrica. Everything that I used will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And I'm just doing like three peekaboos. Like I said, most of this glitter will be getting covered up. I did take this out and spray paint it with a coat of white matte. And it wasn't 100% coverage. It didn't need to be because we're going to glitter over this. So I'm going to use my Aleene's Tack It Over and Over to put on this. And this is just straight tack it. It's not watered down or anything. I just wanted to do one nice full coat of this so that I could get the glitter on. So I'm going to go ahead and brush this on, and then I will take my heat gun to dry it faster. Once that's completely dry, it is time to add our glitter. And for this, I am using just Nookie from Peachy Olive Glitters. This is such a pretty white with color shift glitter. It just goes perfectly with the pink. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that all over the tumbler. Making sure that it's nice and covered. I'm going to tap off any excess, set the tumbler aside, and clean up my mess. And then I'm going to go ahead and burnish down this glitter. Burnishing is just rubbing that glitter flat. And as you can see, it's such an iridescent, beautiful look to it when it's burnished down. So once that is all complete, I will remove the stencils from the cup. Oh my gosh. And you can see how pretty that pink underneath pops with that Nookie on top. So I'm going to add a coat of epoxy on this, and then it'll be time to do our offsets. So like I said, I got these hearts from Creative Fabrica. The one that's the big one that says love, I made that one. The heart I didn't, but I added the word. I just used that little bottom loop as the O. I had to make sure that I had the right heart for the right peekaboo part. get it all lined up, and then I'm going to remove the backing of what I cut away. And once it is all exactly where I want it, I will lay that little piece down to adhere it and then use my squeegee to remove the rest of the backing. Make sure that that vinyl is nice and laid down, and then remove the transfer tape. And then I will do the other 2 Peekaboo, and then I cut out a bunch of other hearts, either in the black vinyl or the rose gold chrome, just to add more hearts around the cup. And I'm just placing these randomly all around. Seal this with the CC DIY Quick Coat, add the final coats of epoxy, and this tumbler is done. And I love the all of it glitter and then the little pops of vinyl. I think it's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.